Alright, so far, got my rims back and played with some spacers. I would have figured my measurements for my rims would have allowed me not to have to need spacers. But I got a 1.5 up front right here, and it looks like it's gonna be in line, and that's gonna work. And I've got a 3" in the back, and it looks like that's gonna be in line. That's gonna work. Now, I got a deficit right here as far as the height, but that's only because the 18" rim is not on the other side. It's a 17. So right now the car is tilted like that, lopsided. So that would account for some of that. And then now that that is like that, I'm gonna have to cut into that flare and get creative as far as some ventilation and stuff to make this particular design work. And I think I want to, because I don't have coilovers on my car, and so that way when the kit is done, you'll be able to literally just bolt it on to any earlier model 911 and not have to worry about spending another 6-7 G's just in coilovers and install, setting your car, quarter balance, this, that, and the other. You can literally just buy the kit and put it on. And so this is the engineering phase that I go through to make sure the car looks good and is functional. The other cool thing about leaving a stock height, although there's a slope right here for my driveway, is that I'm gonna have a little bit of space for designing a diffuser. So I'm looking forward to doing that. Because if it was lowered all the way, though it's supposed to be for a wide body kit, there's kind of no space for it for drivability. So I'm kind of liking that.